I'll be showing you how I oil my hair using this onion oil that we've already done. Make sure to watch that video where I talk about the mistakes that we do, the right way to oil our hair and all that. I'll give you a link in the description. Now, because I washed my hair yesterday, I have to moist my hair before applying the oil. So let's apply the oil. Remember, my locks are uneven because of hair loss. And so what I've been doing is regrowing my hair, healing my hair again, bringing back the voluminous hair I had before. So that's what I've been working on, and I'm so glad that we are doing it. We are doing this together with you, right? So after applying the oil, you follow with a massage. Now I'm done with the oiling and the massage. Now I'll put on a shower cap for 1 hour, after which I will show you guys how I apply the leave-in treatment. All right. Yeah, remember I don't wash the oil after application. The oil I do not wash, but the juice you have to wash it because the smell is a bit strong, right? But for this one, I don't wash. I only apply the leave-in treatment, and it smells very sweet, right? So the onion smell is gone, right? So see you later. I am back after sitting with the oil for 1 hour, having my shower cap on. I am back now and it feels amazing. Can you see the hair is hydrated already because of the moisture, right? So I follow up with the Miyadi leave-in treatment, which smells amazing and is very good for our hair. Okay, right. Oh, the smell is amazing. Thank you, Hako Industries, for giving us this product. It's amazing. Can you see, guys? I am now done. My hair is moisturized. The leave-in is on, and my hair feels hydrated, and it smells sweet. Hmm. Right? And as you can see, I have a lot of short locks in here because of hair loss that I experienced. And now my hair is grown back and voluminous. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be giving you a link in the description so that you can watch the video I talked about oil application on our scalp, the right way to do it, and all that. Thank you for supporting this channel. Let's grow our hair back together. Bye.